Hello everyone, Chem 38, Session 1 and 2. Congratulations, we finished our 10-week lecture. Now, hopefully, you are studying really hard, and I have to appreciate Professor Bob provides you the review session this morning. Just want to give you an update for the final exam. The final exam will take place on Monday, June 22nd. The multiple choice question will be available at 12:20 through Canvas. You will have 2-hour limit the time you start your Canvas questions. The Canvas will be available between 12:20 to about 3:30. So you have 2 hours to do the multiple choice part. There's going to be a 1-page free response question. I will send that free response question through the email. When you finish, you need to send that answer key back to me. Please limit your answer just to 1 page. You should have enough space to fill in all the answers. All I need is just answers. Please label correctly. Write down your name on the answer page. Send in as a Word document, Google Doc, or PDF. Please. Word document, Google Doc, and PDF. So you have a 2-part final, 195 points on Canvas. 55 points I will hand grade myself through that email. So please send to my email, school email. Alright, feel free to send me any question on the, through that email. And good luck to all of you. And stay safe and stay healthy. And I will try to grade your exam on Monday night or Tuesday. If you want to check the grade, send me an email after Monday night, and I try to reply your email, tell you what your final grade is. Alright, good luck. Any questions? I do have a special office hour. I put it on the Canvas announcement. Special office hour is on Monday morning at 7:30 if you have any last minute question. Thank you. Bye-bye.